Basically, we're gonna be doing our prank being me to our little sister. So this is my first prank. My first prank. So yeah, y'all. This is my first prank. Oh y'all, he's hurting me because his fat butt sitting.
Wait.
But this is what
Wait,
my
we freak them because we strike our neck.
No. Yeah, so basically the prank is I'm gonna tell Michaela like I'm gonna have these paper clips in my mouth and I'm gonna tell her like, can you crack my back? It hurts. She gonna crack it and that, and then she only think I'm doing it. So my back hurts. So I have to do video. So how many likes?
Check your slide button. Share your shit.
How many likes?
One.
One like. This video get at least one like a month. And my video, whatever you call it, Suma, and comment more comments.
Where is it?
This is the thing that we're gonna use to crack our back. You ready? I'm gonna come on with us, y'all. Have it. At the camera. Don't watch me show you. And at the camera. Michaela.
I'm gonna die.
Michaela, can you play your game with him? Just press this. Can you press that?
What?
Can you press that? Put the camera.
And I'm gonna. Okay.
Just go like that.
Let me check your back.
I need Michaela's shit because she's strong. No, not my neck, my back. Can you crack my back? Not for real.
Just in the video back. Yeah.
No, like crack it.
Like stomp. Like stomp.
Into this prank. She cracked my back.